A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to your SST class. I hope you all are doing great. So, children, in SST we are doing chapter 14, The World from 1914 to 1945, right? And we have done its word meanings and question answers very nicely. I have explained you each and every line from the chapter. So, children, what we will do today? Today we will read the chapter thoroughly and then I'll explain you the exercise which is given in your book, and you have to do the exercise work in your book on page number 99 and 100. Okay? So let's start reading. आज हम अच्छे से रीडिंग करेंगे चैप्टर की, उसके बाद आपको एक्सरसाइज वर्क करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. चैप्टर 14, द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम 1914 to 1945. The first half of the 20th century changed the course of world history. Two world wars were fought that caused huge devastation and loss of human life and materials. Entire cities had to rebuild. The world prayed for peace. The First World War. The First World War, also called the Great War, lasted from 28 July 1914 to 11 November 1918. Many countries were involved in it. It was fought between two blocs, the Allied powers and the Central powers. What caused the war? In the 2 decades preceding the First World War, countries were competing against each other to develop and acquire weapons. Countries were also forming political and military alliances to protect themselves. The atmosphere in Europe was very tense. Then on 28 June 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the throne of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated by a Serbian. Soon Austria declared war on Serbia. As most countries had already formed alliances, they joined in to protect their allies. How was the war fought? Battles were fought in different countries. In Europe, the fighting took place along the Western Front, France-Belgium side, and along the Eastern Front, Russia side. The war was mostly fought from trenches. Soldiers dug open tunnels in the ground. They hid in them and fired from them. Machine guns and heavy artillery were used extensively. Tanks and poison gas were used for the first time. German submarines called U-boats sank many ships of the Allied powers. India supported Britain in the hope that Britain would grant her self-government after the war. Indian soldiers fought in Europe, in Africa, and in West Asia. When did the war end? The war ended in November 1918. The Allied powers emerged victorious. Both sides signed an armistice. The interwar years. After the war, a peace conference was held in Paris. The Treaty of Versailles was signed between Germany and the Allied powers. Germany was blamed for the war and severely punished. The main terms of the treaty were as follows. Germany would have to pay a heavy fine. It could not increase its military forces. Some of its territory were to be occupied by the Allied powers. The First World War shocked the world. To prevent such a war in future, the League of Nations was formed. Its objective was to solve disputes between countries and maintain world peace. The years after the war were hard for the people of Europe. Then came the Great Depression in 1929. Trade suffered, factories and banks closed down, and millions of people lost their jobs. The effects were particularly severe in Europe and America. The formation of the League of Nations did not bring peace to Europe. The period saw the rise of two dictators, Benito Mussolini in Italy and Adolf Hitler in Germany. Hitler was the more ambitious of the two. He became the chancellor in 1933. His ambition to turn Germany into a superpower plunged the world into another world war. The Second World War. The Second World War was many times more destructive than the first. It started on 1st September 1939 and lasted 6 years. Like the First World War, this was also fought between two blocs, the Allied powers and the Axis powers. Almost 70 million people lost their lives. What caused the war? You have read that Germany was made to pay a very heavy price for its role in the First World War. This almost ruined the German economy. The Germans were very angry. They began to support Adolf Hitler, the leader of the Nazi Party. Hitler promised to restore the glory of Germany. He began to strengthen the military to expand the German Empire. The rising military might of Germany alarmed the other European powers. Britain and France decided to take a combined stand against Hitler. When Hitler attacked Poland with a desire to annex it, Britain and France declared war on Germany. Soon, other countries in Europe joined either of the two warring parties. Thus began the Second World War. How was the war fought? The war was fought on land, air, and water. Poison gas was used on soldiers and civilians alike. There were air raids, and bombs were dropped on cities. Many cities were razed to the ground. Warships and submarines are used by both sides to gain advantage at sea. Hitler held the Jews responsible for Germany's misfortunes. He had them sent to labor and concentration camps. The conditions in these camps were inhuman. The Jews were tortured. It is estimated that more than 6 million Jews died in these camps. This event is known as the Holocaust. The war also spread to the Pacific region. Japan won major victories here. On 7 December 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, America's naval base in Hawaii. This led USA to join the war on the side of the Allied powers. When did the war end? Germany had the upper hand in the war till mid-1942. After this, the Allied powers recovered and dealt a crushing defeat to Germany and Japan. By the beginning of 1945, Hitler knew that he could not win. He committed suicide in April. On 7 May 1945, Germany surrendered. Japan, however, continued to fight in the Pacific region. In August, the USA dropped atom bombs on two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This forced Japan to surrender, bring the war to an end. Efforts to set up a peace organization had begun during the war itself. On 24 October 1945, the United Nations was formed. Our reading is completed. So children, just like this, you also have to read the chapter thoroughly. आपको चैप्टर अच्छे से 3 times रीड करना है. चैप्टर की नॉलेज लेनी है. चैप्टर को आपको एक स्टोरी की तरह पढ़ना है. ओके, यू हैव टू रीड दिस चैप्टर लाइक अ स्टोरी. आपको किसी भी चीज़ को फिर लर्न करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आप अच्छे से चैप्टर को समझेंगे. मैंने आपको वीडियोस में द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड द सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है. आपको चीज़ें समझ भी आ गई हैं, लेकिन कितनी समझ आई है वो अब आपको चैप्टर को रीड करके पता चलेगा. और आपको ये चैप्टर 3 times लाउड रीडिंग करनी है. You all should be capable to read each and every word from the chapter. Okay? So children, after the reading, what you have to do? You have to fill the exercise in your book, which I am going to explain you now. Okay? Exercise A. Write the following in the correct columns. आपको यहाँ कॉलम दिए हुए हैं, द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, और यहाँ पर कुछ क्लूज दिए हैं जो कि रिलेटेड है किससे? फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर और सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर से रिलेटेड है. ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साइल्स, हॉलोकॉस्ट, सेंट्रल पावर्स, एयर रेड्स, ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी, पर्ल हार्बर, ट्रेंच वॉरफेयर, एक्सिस पावर्स, बेनेटो मुसोलिनी, यू बोट्स. इनमें से कुछ चीजें फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर से रिलेटेड है और कुछ सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर से. अगर आपने वीडियोस अच्छे से देखी हैं, चैप्टर को अच्छे से रीड किया है, देन यू विल बी कैपेबल टू राइट द करेक्ट आंसर इन अ करेक्ट कॉलम. और अगर चैप्टर अच्छे से रीड नहीं करेंगे, आप वीडियोस नहीं देखेंगे, तो आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. ठीक है? सो आफ्टर रीडिंग द चैप्टर यू हैव टू फिल द करेक्ट वर्ड इन अ करेक्ट कॉलम. ओके? एक्सरसाइज बी. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स. ये एमसीक्यूज हैं, आपको क्वेश्चन के साथ 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. यू हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके? हाउ लॉन्ग डिड द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर लास्ट? कितने मंथ तक, कितना लंबा, कितना ईयर तक चला है फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर? ओके? 4 years 3 months, 5 years 2 months, 3 years 6 months, 4 years 2 months. कितने ईयर्स और कितने मंथ्स तक फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर चला है, वो आपको करेक्ट आंसर टिक करना है. सेकेंड, विच ऑफ दीज डिड नॉट बिलोंग टू द सेंट्रल पावर्स? इनमें से कौन सेंट्रल पावर से बिलोंग नहीं करता है? बल्गेरिया, जर्मनी, ऑटोमन एम्पायर, ब्रिटेन. Question number 3. In which country is Versailles situated? Britain, Germany, USA or France? Question 4. Which community of people did Hitler target? Indians, Serbians, Jews, Americans? Question 5. Which of the following cities was destroyed by an atomic bomb? Paris, Hiroshima, Berlin, London. चैप्टर रीड करेंगे अच्छे से तो आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शंस बहुत इजीली पता होंगे और आप इजीली इसको कर सकेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज जैसा आपको टीचर्स बताते हैं, जैसा भी कमांड देते हैं, उसको एज इट इज फॉलो करेंगे तो आपके लिए बहुत इजी रहेगा चैप्टर को अच्छे से समझना. आपको वीडियोस देखनी है और आपको अच्छे से रीडिंग करनी है, चैप्टर की लाउड रीडिंग करनी है. ओके? एंड आफ्टर रीडिंग you have to fill exercise A and B in your book. Okay? Then send me your work. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe and keep smiling.